Hey guys, I'm Sunita and I welcome you on my channel Lovable Plants. Today I brought you this fruiting plant from my garden which is known as kumquats. Kumquats is also known as sweet lemon, Fortunella japonica and Citrus japonica. These plants produce a small olive-sized fruit that resembles a miniature orange in size and color. The fruit is sweet and tart at the same time. It is eaten without removing the peel. This plant was earlier classified as Fortunella genus, but now the kumquat is classified as Citrus japonica, which is the same genus as oranges, lemon, and similar fruit-bearing trees. If you are interested to grow this plant, then let's discuss its care. Kumquats are some of the easiest fruit tree to grow in garden pots. These plants reach the height of 8 to 15 feet and have a vase-like or rounded canopy. As you can see my plant here, it is round and it has developed a vase-like canopy around it. These plants grow at least 24 inch in a year. These plants are considered heavy fruiters as they do fruiting twice a year. After grafting, it may need 2 to 3 years to start fruiting. You can get good size grafted plants from nurseries. You can see my plant is having some kumquats which will ripen in few weeks, and it is also having small flowers for new fruits. This is very young plant. They need full sun and they can tolerate any soil pH level. The only thing you need to make sure that it needs well drained soil. Kumquats are suitable for USDA plant hardiness zones 9 to 10. This plant likes temperature ranging from 15 to 35 degrees Celsius. They can tolerate winter temperature as low as -8. You need to ensure that you always keep its soil moist. It should be moist but not soggy. Always check its soil before watering. If it's 1 to 2 inches dry, then put water. These plants don't need pruning. In case you want to prune to shape the tree, then do this always after harvesting the fruit and before it starts blooming. You should never prune this plant during the monsoon or wet season. Kumquats trees don't like being root bound. So when they grow, you need to provide them bigger container. When I got this plant, it was in a 6-inch planter. I have shifted it to a 10-inch planter, as 6-inch was an extremely small pot for this plant. After 2 years, I will shift it to 12-inch container. Generally, we transplant the plant to one size bigger pot. But for kumquats, you can take 2 sizes bigger pot because they like big containers. The best time to repot citrus is the beginning of spring. So this is the time when they are growing their leaves. While planting, you need to make sure that the bud joint should always be above ground level. After planting, plants should be supported with a bamboo stick. After transplant, water it thoroughly. This plant is susceptible to root rot disease, so you need to be extra careful about watering this plant. So you need to avoid extra moisture and ensure that the soil is well drained before you plant this. Always ensure that the planter in which you plant this tree has big, good drainage hole so that excess water exits easily from the planter and does not sit in the planter. Aphids and scale insects sometimes attack this tree. You can use neem oil spray by adding 2 to 3 ml neem oil in 1 liter water. These plants are produced by grafting. If they are planted using seeds, then it will not grow into a viable tree. So it is always advisable that you get grafted plant. This is all about kumquats or sweet lemon. In case you need to know more about this plant, then I have shared the links in the description tab. Please go through these. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.